Hello guys, good evening and welcome to my channel. What's going on, guys? Welcome once again, and today Bitcoin breaks the $50,000 mark. What an incredible move so far. Right, so something is happening and I just want to draw your attention to it. Things you should watch out for this 50,000 mark that Bitcoin broke today. All right, now before I continue on this video, I would like you to subscribe to this channel and I would like you to like this video. All right, so now there are things we projected last time and which we stayed still in view. Okay, now we made it clear that that this yesterday we expected this move, so we look at it this way, diagonal. Okay, we look at it this way, diagonal. And this pullback was a very sharp one. Okay, it was a very sharp one. So we were expecting this to correct itself and down we go. But look at something, guy. It went up again. Okay, so but this breakout now, it's just a fake breakout. Okay, this is a fake breakout, guys. This is a fake breakout. If there's something you should know now, that this is a fake breakout. Look at 4-hour candle. It didn't close above it. Okay, so that tells you that what is a fake breakout. And when you see a fake breakout like this, guy, you need to be very careful, especially in these random numbers like 50,000 mark. For the first time, Bitcoin is breaking it. So what does it tell you? You see, it's very risky buying Bitcoin at this price, guys. Very, very risky buying Bitcoin at this price, because there's something that you should look out for. A lot of data is telling us, man, there is no momentum again. Okay, there is no volume supporting this move. There's no volume supporting this move. So because of that, they might still push it up, 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 push it up. But believe you me, the downfall will be massive and very aggressive. Okay, it will be massive and very aggressive. These are the things we look out for in trading. All right, we look out for these things trading, in the sense that once the momentum is not supporting the move, then you find that something is cooking somewhere. All right, so when you look at it this way, okay, when you look at it this way, you find that what do you see here is going up. All right, the price is advancing. Now what do you see here? There's a divergence. Okay, so what does it tell you? If there's something you should understand and learn from this video, that anytime price keep pushing up and the momentum is going down, it tells you that the move will soon be over. All right, the move will soon be over. And this is 4 hours. The move will soon be over. So, but one thing is likely here, they must still push it up, push it up, push it up, push it up to even 51, to even 52, to 53, to 54,000. And then it will be a massive sell-off. All right. So before buying at this level of price, you should ask yourself, what are you expecting? What price are you expecting? So it's very risky buying at this level of price, okay? Because the momentum is not supporting this move. All right. So what are we waiting for? The only trade I'm going to take now is anytime I see a pattern I recognize for shorting, for going down. That's the only trade I take. Because looking at this, we take trade based on structures. All our trade is based on structures. So anytime we see structure that we identify, then we take a trade on it. All right, so this 4 hours, if you go to daily, you find out that they said divergence or calling on daily. All right, so we're waiting. All right, so it might be a massive pullback and up we go again, but let's just watch and see how this goes. All right, okay, so you look at hourly charts, the 1 hour, you find out that, okay, what the next thing you should be watching for now is once this line is broken. All right, let's watch out and see how it will react on this trend, this corrective trend kind of. So once this is broken, then you watch out for the next move. Okay, it depends on how and what happens once this trend is broken, determine the next move of action. All right, so for now it's just going both ways, but in all indication, we are still expecting a massive pullback. Okay, we are still expecting it. Even though there is a fake breakout today, we are still much expecting it. We are still much expecting it. But all right, so that's just what I want you to take note of, that the wave is indicating weakness, all right, but the price is still going higher. So you need to be very careful on how you trade. Okay, you need to be very careful on how you trade. So if you look at Ethereum too, you'll still see Ethereum on might look a bit different. So, but we are still expecting one more, pullback before the next move to 2,000. All right, but in the same way, you can, once if it comes to this line, if it breaks this low, then we watch out for the next pattern. All right, this line, this horizontal line, white line. Once it breaks this horizontal white line, then you watch out for the next pattern and see if it's going up or it's still coming down. But you are watching for that critical line. Okay, all right. So that's what it is now. So most times, if Bitcoin goes down, very aggressive, most times it affects every other coin because of the emotions in the market. All right, so I just want you guys to stay profitable. I want you guys to trade with care and always use stop loss, guys. Always use stop loss, especially in this currently now. Always use stop loss because anything can happen. You can wake up tomorrow and Bitcoin is just down. All right, so anything can happen. Just always use stop loss. And this is a very critical time for you to use stop loss. Somebody was asking me, when is the best time for you to buy Bitcoin? Let me just do that before we stop this video. The best time for you to buy Bitcoin. He was asking, and I told him that, see, there's nothing moves up forever and nothing moves down forever. Okay, so the best time for us to buy Bitcoin is when it's at the low side. Okay, when it's at the low side. All right, it depends on how you look at it. So anything that goes up comes down. So even if you have started buying Bitcoin at this point, you are not making a mistake because it's still half of this move. All right. So you can see another one here. It went up again. It comes down. Okay. So this is an up again. So what are we expecting? At least a correction here. So this is how it is. The game will not change because of Bitcoin. This is how everything is. But this emotion will not allow us to think, the reason to remember that things that goes up will come down like this. Okay. So, but just have it in back of your mind that as it goes up like this, it always come down before it goes up again. So if you miss this move, all right, so you should wait for this to ride on this. Wait for this, ride on this. So if you miss this current move now, just wait for it to ride the next wave. All right, because nobody knows actually. Imagine those guys that bought Bitcoin at this level. Okay, this level of 16,000, 17,000, 2017. All right, 15,000, and when Bitcoin now retraced to 4,000, what was maybe them would have panicked and sold and think it's going to zero, and look at what happened now. So because of that, everybody it's very difficult for you to have that long time patience, especially except you have already defined your goal before joining the market. If not, it's very, very difficult for you to watch your portfolio go retrace 90%. Sometimes it's disturbing. You watch your portfolio, somebody that joined with $10,000 and watch it becomes $1,000, is disturbing most times. So that's why you wouldn't want to make that mistake. So always trade a breakout. Always trade when a market have retraced. All right, so thank you so much for your time. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to smash your like button on this video, and also don't forget to support this channel. Now, if you want to learn how to trade, want to learn how to trade forex, want to learn how to trade crypto, you want to learn how to read market structure, kindly contact us. I will be glad to help you. Thank you.